Start. In the list of the new education program of our Prime Minister, in which the maximum emphasis has been laid on the development of the weaker sections of the society. I would like to know the proposals of the Ministry of Education in this direction for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Have they brought vocational and technical education in the undercharged field of training within the easy reach of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes? What we know and we find in practice that there are certain sectors where the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes are not at all trained, and although the posts are always invariably reserved for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, they finally report that no candidate from the scheduled castes or scheduled tribes has emerged. The Education Ministry, therefore, will have to seriously think of having training of scheduled castes and tribes, and for that matter, of the weaker sections of the society and the community as a whole in different undercharged field of training, even where candidates belonging to the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes are available in abundance. They report that no suitable candidate is available. That is why I again plead that there should be uniform standard of education throughout the country, in all the universities and in all states. Then, if possible, education should be made a central subject. Now I come to the Department of Sports. Before I deal with the subject of sports, I would like to draw the attention of the Education Minister to 2 points, one of which relates to the Ministry of Education and the other to the Department of Culture, to commemorate the memory of a great scientist of our country, the late Professor Bose, who is no more with us. An institute has been formed in Calcutta. I think the Education Minister is well aware of the fact that, in spite of the formation of this institute, sufficient funds have not been allotted to it either by the University Grants Commission or the central government to run that institution in a manner which has the dream of the late Professor Bose. I wish and hope that the Education Minister will take note of it. Having made these two requests, I will now deal with the subject of sports, which is not properly looked after in our country. We are a country with one fifth of the population of the world. Stop.